Welcome to Nihon. Today we are excited to show you a lovely home in Princeland, Tsumagoi, just 30 minutes from Karuizawa and about an hour from Tokyo. Right by the entrance, you will find a momiji, a Japanese maple that turns bright red in autumn. There's also a sakura tree with soft pink blossoms in spring and an ajisai bush with hydrangeas in early summer. Each season brings a fresh look: spring blooms, summer green, autumn red, and winter snow. The front feels clean and welcoming. It's got style, space, and comfort. Let's step inside. It's a 3 LDK with building area about 110 square meters and land area of 661 square meters. As you step into the Genkan, there's a spacious area to take off your shoes and store them neatly, keeping the home clean and organized. To the side, you will find a toilet room separate for privacy and convenience. Right next to it is the washing area with the sink and laundry space, perfect for daily use. Moving along, we enter the bathroom, which features a deep soaking tub and a shower area, ideal for relaxing after a long day. Now we head into the heart of the home, the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen is open and modern with plenty of counter space, cabinets, and natural light. It's great for cooking and spending time with your family. Next, we walk into the living room, which is bright and comfortable to chit-chat with family or friends. And this area opens up to the back terrace, which connects to the front and side yards, offering forest views and inviting fresh air and natural sunlight. Lastly, there's a beautiful Tatami Room, a traditional Japanese space that can be used for relaxing, sleeping, or hosting your guests. It adds a peaceful and cultural touch to the home. Okay, now let's take a look upstairs. There's also a second toilet here, just like downstairs, conveniently located for easy access. It's comfortable, clean, and easy to use. Next, we enter a wide bedroom with tatami flooring. This peaceful room has interior window that looks directly down to the first floor. Very interesting, right? Beside it, there is another bedroom with wooden floors. Spacious and bright, perfect for children, guests, or even a home office. Each space on this floor is designed to be both comfortable and functional, making it easy to adapt to your lifestyle. And now the best part, this beautiful home can be yours for only 10 million yen, about 88,800 Singapore dollars. Don't miss out, your new home is waiting. On phone with Nihon, ready to guide you. Find it, love it, live it!
Nihon is みんなも日本ですあなたも日本